Hello and welcome to my cat breed classifier. This project uses a dataset from Kaggle of different cat breeds. This dataset was trained using the ResNet 18 algorithm. It is hosted through a web server, which can be run, as seen on this video. The link to the site to try for yourself is on the dev post page. The same goes for the source code of this project. The GitHub can be found on this dev post page as well. This project uses Flask to have a Python backend while having a regular HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap frontend. As you can see, this website is made up of three simple templates: the index page, where you upload your file, the apology page, which is where you're sent when there's an error, and the result page, for when you input the file properly and the classification algorithm can run. For the backend, I also split up the Flask portion and the PyTorch portion into two separate files so that it's easier to maintain and keep track of. I used Figma to plan out how my web page would look and built my design off of this prototype. In order to deploy this local Flash project onto the web, I used Heroku. Now, aside from just talking about how the website backend works and what libraries I used to build the site, you may notice that nearly anything you input will be classified as a domestic short hair. This is an issue with the trained neural network. Domestic short hair cats are among the most common cat breeds in the world, and as such, the data passed into this neural network from Kaggle was very heavily skewed, and this caused quite high bias. Due to the time constraint and the nature of a hackathon, I was unable to create an ample fix for this, with trying to standardize the amount of data of each breed, for instance. However, this project can be very easily refitted to run classification on many other things, such as comparing dog breeds, distinguishing different animals, etc., as long as you have a trained neural network. All in all, this project was very fun to work on, and really expanded my knowledge on machine learning. I had a blast at Ignition Hacks.